Hello everyone, welcome back to the Falcon RC channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the RC crawler I got for Christmas. There are a variety of mini RC crawlers on the market, from the actual SCX24 to the Traxxas TRX4M, which are both crawlers that I considered. However, I went with the FMS FCX18 Toyota Land Cruiser LC80. In this video, I'll unbox it, explain why I chose this one over the other mini crawlers on the market, and I will have a quick demonstration of how it drives. Okay, so to start off with the unboxing, here's the box. It's a fairly simple box. It just has a quick explanation of the LC80, has some specs, not really specs, but it has some information here on the bottom if you want to pause the video and look at that. And then it just shows the three different color schemes and shows that this one is the gray. And I'm just going to mention here that this is not the first time I've unboxed this. I have unboxed it already, but this is just a mock unboxing for the video. I take off this sleeve here, and there's the instructions. I don't remember if the instructions were here inside the box when I first unboxed it. I think it was here, but inside the instructions were all these FMS stickers. And then to open the box properly, and this is what you see when you first open the box. You get your transmitter, you get the FCX18 of course, and then right here is the charger for the battery. It's just a USB thing that you plug into the wall. And here's a wheel wrench, and I think this is a hitch you can put on the back, and spare license plate stickers. Moving on to the transmitter, it's got a lot of features. You have a bunch of trims. You have this stuff. I don't actually remember what this is, but throttle reverse, steering reverse. You have channel 4 for the lights, channel 3 for the 2-speed transmission, and yeah, it's a pretty nice transmitter. Moving on to the FCX18 itself though, it comes with these little foam insert things in there, so I'll get those out. And this is what the FCX18 looks like. As I said before, I've already used it, so there's some dirt. The tires are a little dirty, but you open the hood, that's how you access the battery, and the battery is already in there from the factory, so that's where the battery is. It doesn't come plugged in, but I have it plugged in. Now I'm going to move on to the reasons I chose this over the other options on the market. There are three crawlers that I was considering at one point. And those are the Axial SCX24, the Traxxas TRX4M High Trail Edition Ranger, and the FMS FCX18. And there's several reasons I chose the FCX18 over those two crawlers. And the major one is the 2-speed transmission in this. The SCX24, as far as I can tell, only has a 1-speed transmission, and the TRX4M has a 1-speed transmission that is geared for trails out of the box. You can get crawling gears for it, but it's a lot less hassle. Just flip a switch on the transmitter and switch it into low gear or high gear, depending on what you're doing with it. One of the other reasons is the portal axles, because I don't think the SCX24 has portals, and I know that TRX4M doesn't have portal axles, and portal axles provide much more ground clearance on the diff than non-portal axles. Another major reason is the stock radio system and the ESC supports true 4-wheel drive, so if I put a front axle and a servo in the back, I can have crab steering, mirror steering, just rear wheel steering, and front wheel steering and stuff. So rear steer is going to be something I definitely want to put on this in the future, and that's a major reason I got this. I chose this one because I could put rear steer on this without having to change out any other component. And also, it's just the lights on this are much nicer than on the SCX24 and the TRX4. Okay, so I also turned off the lights in the garage so you can hopefully see the lights better. Of course, it's this window here, it's quite bright, but you press the button and you can turn it on. The lights will turn on briefly to indicate that it's on. Why I got caught there. So it's this button here, channel 4 on the transmitter. It has the lights on, you just press it once, and it's low beams, and turning signal. You press it again, high beams and turning signals. Also, you have reverse lights the entire time. Then it's high beams and hazard lights. And I use this quite a bit actually if I'm crawling it at night, because the hazard lights allow me, like, show me where the back of the vehicle is. Then it's no lights except reverse lights and turning signal, and then it's just reverse lights. You can see there's no turning signals at all. And this is a really awesome light kit that to come stock, and the TRX4M has a light kit like this, I believe, but it's a separate part you have to buy. It just comes with 2 headlights stock, so the light kit was a major reason I chose the FCX18, because it's such a great kit. I mentioned the battery earlier with how it goes in here, but I just thought I should probably show it. It's a 7.4 volts, a 2S 900 milliamp hour LiPo, and from what I've heard, this is the largest battery you can get for a mini crawler, and it should last, I think it's at least an hour in this thing, which is pretty nice. Okay, so I've got the FCX18 in here, and just gonna do a little bit of demonstrations of it crawling on these snow paths here. The good thing about the controls, it's smaller, that I can easily drive with my hand. So, in high gear right now, just demonstrate what the difference between high gear and low gear. So this is top speed on high gear. Just come back around, shift to low gear, that's low gear. This is the speed you want. So if you're crawling on rocks and stuff, this you kind of need the high gear because it's a little bumpy. You can see it's a little there. It is quite windy, so my hands are getting a little chilly here. Okay everyone, so I'm back again. This isn't exactly optimal spot because the dirt is quite crumbly, but I'm gonna try to do my best to at least crawl to the top there. I tried at the bottom, but it just kept crumbling, so problem is the leaves and stuff keep getting caught on those. It's not getting much grip at all, it's just getting stuck in the dirt. And it keeps getting caught on its mirror there. Okay, I made it past that part. Try to get it to the top here without rolling over. No, I don't think it's gonna happen. It's not that angle. Yep, that is one thing with portal axles and the hard body and stuff. It is pretty hot top heavy, so an upgrade I plan to do in the future is to put some brass or aluminum or something rims on this. Put a little bit of weight further down. struggling with that snow there. So the snow is even worse than the dirt and with crumbling away. Cold out. My hands are starting to freeze, so I can't be doing this for much longer. But here's a situation where rear steer would be really nice. Because I can't get it to go around there the way I want it to. Oh, I think I just got it hung up. Oh, no. Not quite. There we go. Try and get it onto this thing that I haven't been able to tell. I don't know if it'll be able to do it though. Try to put it in the same spot I was before. I'm trying to. There we go. That's what I wanted. Well, that's a quick demonstration of how it performs. It's not really a very accurate one because this is really crumbly and because of the snow, but there you go.